Hey everyone, welcome back to our episode where we bring you the best tutorial to enhance your productivity. In today's video, we are going to introduce you to Microsoft Teams and guide you through the illustration process. So let's get started, okay? Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool that integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft Office like 365 applications. Okay, it designed to help team communications collaborate and stay organized. No matter where they are, the features like chats and also the video conferencing, file sharing, and also with other apps, Team is perfect for both remote and office environment. Okay. Before we dive in or the illustration, let's quickly go over some key feature of Microsoft Teams. So here I can show you. This is the first one. Like you can use the chat, instant messaging your teams, including groups, chats, and direct messages, and also the video conferencing. So high quality video calls are meeting with screen sharing capabilities, and also you can use the new file sharing, easily share and collaborate like one file with the apps. Integrations like connect with other Microsoft Office apps like the Excel and PowerPoint, and customizable workspace, create different projects like teams to keep everything organized. Okay, these features let's make Teams a one-step solution for all of your collaboration. Now let's move on the installation process. We'll start with the window. So open your browser and go to the the Microsoft website team or Microsoft Teams websites over here. So now that click over with the Teams, and here we have the options like the get ready for the future of work with the Microsoft Teams. So here we can easily use it. Like here we have the options, download it. So or you can use the C plan for pricing. For the options, what kind of teams you can easily work over here. So here we want to use the something with the free versions. So here this is with the price, easily work with this one if you want to use it. Let's go to the teams over here. You can use the home plans over here. So for now, let's start with the download teams. Okay, so click over here. It gives you with options for the downloads. So click on the download Teams apps for the desktop. So click over here, and here it gives you the options like team for the home and team for work or school. So and here the make sure that which you want to download it. For example, let's use this one, one Teams for the team for the home. This is organize your life, communicate or communicates all in one place. So download the Teams apps and never miss a message or a sale again. So we want to use this one. Just click over download Teams. Okay. So here it gives you the two options to download it. It's now download, or once the download is complete, now open the illustrators file. Okay, let's click over and we can easily download it over here. So when we install it, so you can easily sign with your Microsoft account or create a new one if you don't have account yet. Okay, so here I have already logged in with my account, and here it's welcome to your Teams videos with this one. And that is you have successfully installed Microsoft Teams on your Windows computer. So And here we can do, before that, let's I want to sign out for now. Let's use it. I want to start for the beginnings over here. Okay. So let's not forget to the mobile device. You can also use the mobile device if you want to use it there. Okay. You are using an Android or iOS device, Teams says covered. Okay. Or you can do open your Google Play Store, Apple App Store on your device. Search for the Microsoft Team at the tab like the install or get a download the app. Once you are installed on the app and sign it with your Microsoft Word. Okay. So now you can stay connected with your Teams or on to go. So here I want to click for the accounts, and you can easily use your password. So if you don't have yet there, so here is the Teams here. You can easily start with your Teams over there. Okay. And Microsoft Teams is a versatile tool that can significantly boost your team's productivity. We have covered the basics and the installation of various devices, and you are now ready to start exploring its features over there. Okay. So thanks for watching and see you in the next time.